Hey, what's up, guys? It's Wes again. I just wanted to make a video on my couch cans that I'm making and how I am running my wires to relocate my battery, because you're gonna have to relocate it when you buy this couch can. So this is my couch cans that I'm making. They have two 10A bungs welded on. They have a drain valve for easy draining. They also are baffled inside. I got 3 baffle plates in there, help it from sloshing it around, and it'll really help. It comes with 2 filters on top. It bolts straight into factory bolt holes, so that is going to be. I know whenever I bought my last catch can, it was a pain trying to figure out where I'm going to mount it, how I'm going to mount it. And then I also have I have 2 options for these catch cans. One option is a $10 option. It's just a 3/8 barb welded onto the side of here for your PCV valve. And then the other option is a $20 option that is it's a powder coat option. And so a total with both options is $230 plus shipping. Just for like this catch can, for instance, it's only $200 to purchase. If you want to, the fastest way to contact me is probably my Instagram. Follow me and then message me that you would like to purchase one, and that's probably the fastest way to contact me. But my battery relocation. So I bought this 2-to-1 distribution block off eBay. I hooked the factory. These 2 wires were hooked up to the factory positive terminal. I ran those to these 2 ports, and then I have this 1 port, which is this is 2 gauge wire routed into this. I'm eventually gonna tuck this in here somehow. It's kind of a mess right now, but once I get everything, I'm gonna route it better and tuck it, and it's gonna look real good. You won't be able to see it, hopefully. But here's my negative battery cable just hanging out there. So I ran it through this port right here. Let's go look inside here. Runs through there. My positive runs through here, and then it is tucked up underneath this interior piece, which looks super clean. You can't tell that there's a battery cable in there. It's gonna be pretty nice. The negative, it comes through here and then it feeds through this way. Then I'll show you on the other side. Comes up through here, and then I'm gonna eventually tuck it up here somehow. But you run this through this little rubber, I don't know what it is, but you can put this 2 gauge wire underneath this rubber piece, interior piece. You just run it through here the whole way, and then after that you pick up this interior piece, and this will snap right on top of that. It's like the battery cable's not even there. So then you will have to take out this factory plastic interior piece for the back, the rear, and I'll show you. You have to do some Dremel work on it. It's not too difficult at all, really simple actually. You just cut your little hole right here, and then you're gonna you gotta trim these pieces as well. so the battery cable can tuck up in there. To take this piece off, you have to pry on this speaker piece. I'll show you. Pry on that hole right there. Tear that out, and then the speaker is exposed, and you take out 3 Phillips screws, and then you unplug the speaker. But yeah, I got the positive over here, negative right all the way over there. As you can see, I'm not done yet with the negative. Got the positive coming up this way. It's routed up there, and then it comes through here. Then I have a 150 amp inline breaker. That is, yeah, I got that off eBay as well. Pretty cheap. And this is obviously just hooks up to my battery. And then this, excuse the mess, this is going to route the same way, and then it's going to run all the way over here and hook up to the negative. And I'm also going to run another negative cable grounded somewhere to the chassis back here. I'm going to run two negative cables. But that's basically how I am relocating my battery, how I'm routing all the wires, and yeah. But if you guys want one of these catch cams, just hit me up. I got a pretty fast turnaround rate on them. But that's it. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.